Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 5 to the power of x minus 2. This is equal to 120. What is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. We have that this exponential equation is in the form of a to the power of n minus m, which we can express as a to the power of n divided by a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, we have 5 to the power of x divided by 5 to the power of 2. This is equal to 120. So 120 is our own number, so this is over 1. So this means that we can multiply, we can cross multiply here, so that we have 5 to the power of x. This is equal to 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 120. The next step is that to solve for x here, we introduce logarithm on both sides. So we have log 5 to the power of x. This is equal to log 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 120. Log 5 to the power of x, this is in the form of log a to the power of n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this logarithm property, then log 5 to the power of x becomes x log 5. This is equal to log 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 120. So let's divide both sides by log 5. And also here we have log 5. So let's simplify log 5 and log 5 here, so that we have x is equal to, this is log 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 120, everything here divided by log 5. The next step is that log 5 to the power of 2 times 120, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Now let's apply this logarithm property. Now applying this logarithm property, we have x is equal to log 5 to the power of 2 divided by log 5, then plus, this is log 120 divided by log 5. So we can express log 5 to the power of 2 as 2 log 5 divided by log 5, then plus log 120 divided by log 5. So let's simplify log 5 and log 5 here, so that we have x is equal to 2 plus, now this is log 120 divided by log 5. Now we have x is equal to 2 plus, now we can express 120. This is the same thing as 8 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. Everything here divided by log 5. So we have x is equal to 2 plus log 8. We can express this as log 8 divided by log 5 plus log 5 divided by log 5, then plus log 3 divided by log 5. The next step is to simplify log 5 and log 5 here. So we have 1 here, so that we have x is equal to 2 plus 1. This is 3 plus, we can express log 8 as log 2 to the power of 3 divided by log 5. Then plus, here we have log 3 divided by log 5. Now, the next step is that log 2 to the power of 3, this can be expressed as, this is the same thing as 3 log 2 divided by log 5, then plus log 3 divided by log 5. So that now log 2 over log 5 and log 3 over log 5, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So let's apply this logarithm property. Now applying this logarithm property, we have x is equal to 3 plus, this is 3 log 2 to base 5, then plus log 3 to base 5. So this is the value of x. The next step from here is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation by following these steps. So let's verify from here. So if you recall, we have that 5 to the power of x subtract 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 120. So this means we can substitute x so that we have 5 to the power of 3 plus 3. This is log 2 to base 5, then plus log 3 to base 5, subtract 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 120. So we have 5 to the power of 3 minus 2. This is 1. Then plus 3. This is log 2 to base 5. Then plus log 3 to base 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 120. Now this is a power, so we can express this as 5 to the power of 1 plus, this is log 2 to the power of 3 to base 5, then plus log 3 to base 5. This should give us a value of 120. Now 5 to the power of 1 plus log 2 to the power of 3 to base 5 plus log 3 to base 5. This is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which we can express as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, we have 5 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of log 2 to the power of 3 to base 5, multiplying by 5 to the power of log 3 to base 5. This should give us a value of 120. So we have 5 to the power of log 2 to the power of 3 to base 5 and 5 to the power of log 3 to base 5. This is in the form of a to the power of log b to base a, which essentially is supposed to give us a value of b. So 5 to the power of log 2 to the power of 3 to base 5. This should give us a value of 2 to the power of 3, which is equal to 8. And we have 5 to the power of log 3 to base 5. This should give us a value of 3. So let's substitute 8 and 3 so that we have 5 multiplying by 8 multiplying by 3. This should give us a value of 120. So 8 times 5, this is 40, times 3, this is 120, which is equal to 120. So the left add side is equal to the right add side. And this affirms that the value of x here, which is equal to 3 plus 3 log 2 to base 5 plus log 3 to base 5, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Like this video and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.